When we set out to develop the Origin 1 3D printer, we developed a unique print process called P3 programmable photopolymerization that enables us to print materials that have never existed before in additive manufacturing. This has allowed us to go from prototyping to address markets and applications for end-use parts in things like aerospace, automotive, and electrical connectors.
My role at TE Connectivity is to look for new, innovative technologies. Origin really checked a lot of those off a few years ago. We have a number of Stratasys printers within TE. We have many of the FDM printers distributed throughout our organization in our plants. And we also have them in our R&D facility, some of the larger ones, some jetting technologies, and now the Stratasys Origin 1 as well. We're a global manufacturer of sensors and connector products for all industries from aerospace to appliance and automotive. Over the past 30 years, we've managed to incorporate almost every 3D printing technology into the company. With the emergence of DLP, and particularly the Origin 1 printer, we were able to print a whole range of products that we weren't able to before, both in terms of resolution, accuracy, and new materials. Makes the business value really attractive, and we're anticipating many of our high-mix, low-volume products can be now 3D printed instead of injection molded.
We chose the Stratasys Origin 1 printer over other printers because of its reliability as well as accuracy and surface finish that we get. It's almost similar to mold injection parts. Some of our customers can't even tell the difference.
The reason we like the Origin platform so much is it enabled us to use almost any materials for our specific business units. For example, fire, smoke, and toxicity. We can do this with any other platform.
We've worked with a variety of our partners to unlock material properties you don't typically see in polymer additive manufacturing. For example, extremely resilient elastomers and extremely flame retardant and tough materials.
The throughput of the Stratasys Origin 1 allows us to move closer towards series production. Years ago, we wouldn't be able to think about that as a possibility.
We make 190 billion products a year, something of that order. Where Origin 1 really helps us is to produce product at those low volumes that otherwise wouldn't have been attainable by injection molding.
The reliability of the Stratasys Origin 1 is very confidence-inspiring for us. We are very satisfied with the consistency and the repeatability of the printer.
So I've never been more excited than I am right now about 3D printing. We've got the materials, we've got the speed, we've got the accuracy. Now we're on the cusp of really getting these parts into series production, and that's really exciting.